is the structure of alkanes? Like, as I already told you that there is a single bond between carbons and hydrogens, right? The first example is methane. The second one is ethane and propane. Right? I have drawn the structure over here. So, CH4. This is methane. There is a single bond between all atoms, right? Carbon and hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. So this is saturated hydrocarbon, right? CH4, right? The second one is C2H6. This is also saturated hydrocarbon, as I already told you that there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, right? Here you see the number of carbon is 2. So first of all, we have to write over here two carbon atoms. Between them, there must be a single bond, right? Carbon and carbon. These two carbons are attached together by a single bond, right? And there are 6 hydrogen atoms which are attached to these carbon atoms with a single bond. That is C2H6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any double bond between them? Among them? No. So there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is saturated hydrocarbon or unsaturated? Saturated hydrocarbon, because there is a single bond between two carbon atoms. That is why we say this is a saturated hydrocarbon. Now the third example of hydrocarbon which is saturated, that is propane, right? Propane. How many carbons are there in propane? There are 3 carbon atoms, right? Because pro falls at number 3 position. That is why the number of carbon is 3. Okay. So similarly, as this is saturated hydrocarbon, we are studying about alkanes, right? Blindly you have to make this structure, right? There are 3 carbons and there are single bonds between all 3 carbons, right? So how many hydrogen atoms should be there? 8. How? Like see, Cn H2n plus 2, right? So what would be the formula of propane? Pro stands at number 3 position. So C n will be extended by 3. 2 into 3 plus 2. C3 H2 is a 6 plus 2 C3 H6. Got it? This is the formula of propane. This is the formula of propane. And what is the structure? Now, here it is. Number of carbon is 3. There are 3 carbon atoms in propane. Here it is. The structure is like that. And there will be single bond between carbon atoms because alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, propane is a saturated hydrocarbon, right? And hydrogens are attached by a single bond with carbon. Okay, got it? C3H8. C3H8. Is there any double bond between carbon atoms? No. So this is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Now got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for the day, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to cover the unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkene and alkynes. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.